Hi guys, this is my Audi TT Roadster and today I will try to install an external radio antenna on my car. The fact is that the antenna is missing and the antenna was probably broken from the time of the previous owner, so I want to fix it and make it nice. So I bought a small rubber universal car radio antenna complete with various adapters for screwing the antenna in. So first of all, you need to unscrew the nut that holds the antenna in place. I discovered that since the antenna is broken, there is no hole where the adapter for mounting the new antenna can be screwed. So you need to remove this antenna and find out how to solve this issue. To find out how to remove the antenna, you need to access the side panel in the trunk of the car. To do this, you need to remove the trunk mat and fold the trunk bottom cover. Next, you can get access to the rear plastic panel, which also needs to be removed. I researched how to do this without the help of YouTube, and this is what I found out. You just need to pull it up, because this panel is only attached to these holes and a few plastic stops. Next, you need to disconnect the side panel and pull the antenna inside from the hole that we see on the outside of the car. Next, you need to disconnect the cables and remove the antenna unit. So first I decided to drill a hole in the antenna block, the size of which will be the same as the size of the threaded adapter in the new antenna. I also found out that the metal of the antenna block is softer than the metal of the threaded adapter, so I decided to just screw the adapter into the hole of the antenna block, which will cause the thread to be cut automatically. It finally succeeded and the antenna is perfectly wound on the adapter. Now I need to connect the antenna adapter to the wires and get everything in place. Now just look at how everything turned out. Now I just need to fit the panels in place and also align the position of the seals so that they cover the joints of the panels on top. Now I think everything looks much better. And what do you think? If you found this video interesting and useful, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel. And now I need to wash my car, but that will be another story. Thank you for watching. See you soon.